Hi, I'm Cody Creech. I'm the Dryland crop specialist out here at the Panhandle Center for the University of Nebraska. And today I'm standing here in our TAPS plot, or Testing Ag Performance Solutions, which is a contest that we invite growers to participate in, where essentially they are able to make the decisions as far as the crop, how to manage it, how to market it, and ultimately we'll see how these yield. So the way it works is the grower or team, sometimes you might have multiple people on a team, they have all of the management decisions. So they pick which wheat variety to plant, they choose the seeding rate, they choose the fertility program, they also choose crop insurance, marketing, all of that goes into it. Whether or not they want a fungicide, it all plays into it. And so they make these decisions, and at the end of the day, we are going to take the yield out here, and we award 3 different awards. The first award is being the most profitable. Usually in the contest, a lot of folks get interested in the yield. This is not by any means a yield contest. We are more interested in management decisions that allow a grower to make more dollars per acre. So what can we do to increase that profitability? So the first award is profitability, and of course that'll take into account all the input costs based on and then also the yield which that team had and how they marketed that grain throughout the year. The second award that we have is an efficiency award. So that's a combination of your fertility inputs combined with the protein of the grain and the yield of the grain is going to give us that efficiency. And so we have a formula for that, and we'll award that. And then the final award is indeed for yield. It's the least of our awards because we don't want to make that a priority. That's not the purpose of this contest. But we did want to make that a point just to show how high some folks can go, and also to emphasize that perhaps the highest yield is not always the most profitable, and that's a really important message. And so you might ask, how are we able to do all this on these small plots? These small plots, so we have them represent a 2,500 acre wheat farm. So if this plot here on my left yields, say 50 bushel an acre, we extrapolate that over 2,500 acres, and that's what that grower has to market that grain. The team on this side might have only got 40 bushel an acre. They might choose to market it differently, and at the end of the day, we'll see which team chose the right inputs and the right strategies to maximize their profitability. So there's a lot that goes into this contest. We appreciate the teams that are participating. We have 15 teams this year, as well as 5 university teams that are kind of serving as our check. And we'll see how this shakes out in our first year. It's been a rough year with the freeze damage that we've had out here. But we'll have these results available so you can see which teams did well, how they did it, and hopefully that'll help you as you make your own management decisions to improve your operations. Thank you.